Hey, it's Lisa with Artful Fairy Designs, and let's talk about pop-out ornaments. What are they and why do you need them? So pop-out ornaments are so much easier, especially if you have kids that you want to paint something, and sometimes the little pieces get lost and then you don't know where they are. And with a pop-out ornament, everything is already here for you. All you need to do is you can paint it while it's in here. Like some of these, you could just paint them right in there, or you could pop them out and paint them, whatever you want to do. Here is the elf one, and I'll show you what a finished one looks like. So here is the finished elf ornament. When you look at these, you want to notice that there are score marks, and that'll tell you where your pieces should go. So these are your pop-outs, and this is where they would go, where the scoring is. Now this one's pretty simple, but this one here, looks like it's a little more difficult, but it really isn't. So here's all your score marks, and that'll tell you that his face would go here, his hands, his little branch hands would go in here, his hat would go there, and then you have your two pieces that go on the hat. Obviously the heart goes there, and here's his nose, which goes here. So it's really easy. Now look at this one. It's really easy to tell what goes where, just based on where the score marks are, and you can kind of figure that part out. So the first thing you're going to do is figure that out. Make sure you know what parts are going to go where. You can choose to paint them right inside here. It's real easy for the kids to do that way. And then this way you only have one piece. They can color all they want to. It's only on here, and then pop it out and then glue it together. Or you can pop them all out individually, and I'll do that. Right, just pop everything out and then just paint them. And you can paint them using markers or paint or crayons, pencils, whatever you have on hand and whatever you want to do. Come on out of there. There we go. Okay, so that's all we did, is we just popped everything out. I'm just going to move those out of the way real quick. So I just popped everything out. That's the bottom of his hat. That would be his hair. Uh-oh, I lost a piece. I picked it up. Here we go. That's the bottom of his collar, and then the little bell goes on top. And that's it. So that's how when you get a pop-out, you take a look at it, you pop out the pieces or paint them within and then you just go from there. And then you just add your string to the top and hang it up, and you've got a cute little ornament. And here's a couple of the ones that were done. Some little friends of mine down the street did both of these. They are super cute and lots of fun to do. Have any questions or comments? Feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thanks.